First, apply the Bareminerals Primetime Brightening Foundation Primer all over your face. Here I've applied the Kiko Milano Neutral Eye Base Highlighting Effect Fluid Concealer in shade 04 all over my eyes. I like to fill my eyebrows with the Rimmel London Professional Brow Pencil in shade 001 Dark Brown. So for my eyes and cheeks, I have used the Body Shop Shimmer Waves in 01 Bronze. I quite like this palette, so I've decided to use it on my eyes and my cheeks, just to show you that one palette can go quite far in a look. Once you have filled in your eyes, try and blend in the colours as I have. I like to use a big fluffy brush to do this. It's foundation time! So for my foundation, I like to apply the Bareminerals Original SPF 15 foundation in shade Medium Tan 18. I love the Bareminerals Original foundation and I have been using it for years. It's so light but also gives a decent coverage. It sort of removes all my redness as well. Under eye concealer, I like to use the Kiko Milano Fluid Concealer in shade 04. As you can see, I don't pile it on because I think with mature skin it can cause creases. So this is quite lightweight and doesn't cause too much creases, but also reflects off the light. I'm going to fill my upper waterline with the Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer in shade 26 Noir. For my lashes, I'm going to use the Bareminerals Lash Domination in the shade Intense Black. I do like this a lot and it does fluff up my lashes quite nicely. I have set my brows with the Revolution Eye Gel in the shade Clear. Because this is a day look, I wanted to keep it quite natural. So for the contour, I've gone in with the Gosh Contouring Strobe Kit and I'm using the contour part of the palette. I'm just going to blend it in quite lightly into the creases of my cheek. For my highlight on my cheeks, I'm going to use the Shimmer Waves Body Shop Bronze palette again and just dust it quite lightly. It's really nice and colourful and you just blend all the colours together. I'm also going to do the bit on the bridge of my nose as well. For my lips, I'm going to use the Cookie Matte Lip Colour from Bareminerals. To set my makeup, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And here is my completed look.